Yeah, you don't want to hit yourself. Just spin them at your sides and like feel it.
Yeah, dude, you know, I'm a little nervous about doing this thing.
Just spin it on your side like a jump rope.
Like this?
Or forwards. You're going backwards right now. So you're like going in towards your body. You want to go straight.
Am I still going towards my body?
Not so much. You're doing better. Do you have a lighter? Where's your lighter?
I'm a little nervous about doing this.
I'm a little nervous about you doing this too, Frank. Just be careful of your hat.
How come it looks like way more intense than when you were doing it, huh? Huh?
Thank you.
That's intense.
Yeah.
Does it look alright?
Yeah.
You can do it, dude. Yeah, it's just scary. They looking okay on the camera? They look cool or no?
I wasn't watching the camera. I was watching you.
Oh, kind of hurt.
You smell like singed hair.
I know, I hit myself right here. I'm down.
Can you do my favorite thing with fire? Or does it get too close to you? What are you eating?
Cake?
You want some? Melty.
Yeah, I want some. But I'm the recorder. Hold on, I'll come in. Yeah. Baby, your cake's cut. We should go eat it. Is that what the video was that you were trying to figure out?
do smell like singed hair.
You can't get them to go out.
I was gonna try.
Dude, your cake is bomb sauce.
That's it. You don't do the flour wraps, dude.
Oh, shit. Dude, I did it. I'm proud of myself.
Good job, Frank. You only threw them on the ground.
I did throw them on the ground, but hey, I started to be on the ground.
And then stared at them like, oh my god, should I pick them up?
I was freaked out. It was freaky. I want to see you do it.
No.
You know, like, it doesn't look like really a big deal when you're watching it.
Yeah,
But when you're holding it,
me.
the flames seem a lot bigger.